Hey my Dimplets, it's your girl Misha and you are watching Cooking with Dimples. If you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you enjoy. Today's recipe will be my cabbage recipe. I previously recorded this the other day, but I didn't do an intro and outro for you guys, so I'm here with the intro and outro now. And I hope you guys enjoy. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but I'm finally bringing it to you guys, so we're gonna hop right into it. Enjoy. Okay guys, so these are all the ingredients that you will need for today's recipe. The only ingredients that I forgot to include are crushed red pepper and lemon garlic seasoning. Okay, so I went ahead and washed my vegetables and cut up half of each one of my bell peppers, along with half of a small onion and 6 cloves of garlic. What you see me doing here is dicing up my whole 12-ounce package of bacon and cutting off the fatty ends and discarding them. This will be the first step of the process, which is frying the bacon, sauteing the bacon. Okay, so most of us know that bacon does make its own oil, but in this recipe, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or whichever oil you prefer, into your pan. And we are going to add our diced bacon and we are going to saute it until it's about halfway done. Okay, so now that our bacon is at its halfway mark, we are going to add all of our diced vegetables except for the 6 cloves of garlic. And we are going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to give the vegetables a little flavor and get this dish started. Okay, so I like my cabbage sliced. So while our vegetables are sauteing, we are going to go ahead and slice up our cabbage. So this is how it should look when you're done. This is 1 whole cabbage sliced up. Alrighty, well, now that our vegetables are nice and caramelized and tender, we are going to add our cloves of garlic in, and we are going to saute for about 1 minute before adding our cabbage. Okay, so now I'm going to add my whole head of cabbage in. A good thing about cabbage is it shrinks as it cooks. So I'm going to add my first whole head of cabbage in and let it cook down for about 3 minutes before I add my next head of cabbage in. Okay, well, as you see, my veggies have cooked down a little bit, and it is time. It is time to add the second head of cabbage, get it all dumped in there, and oh my goodness, it is looking mighty good so far, might I add. So now we are going to get our seasonings and prepare to season our cabbage. Okay guys, so time to make this cabbage juicy. Up until this time, we have been frying our cabbage, and a lot of people love fried cabbage. For me, I love juicy cabbage, so we are going to add both our cans of chicken broth, along with 2 cups of water. If you would like to use all chicken broth, go ahead. Use 4 cups of chicken broth. Okay guys, so it's seasoning time now, and cabbage is a dish that is seasoned to taste. So what you see me putting in right now, I probably have to taste my cabbage and season it about 2 or 3 more times before it got to my liking. So make sure that you take your top off and you taste your cabbage and add a little bit more salt or whatever spices that you like until you get it to your preferred level. Oops, can't forget my crushed red pepper. Okay, so now we're going to pop a lid on this bad boy and simmer it for about an hour. Okay, my dimplets, it looks great and it smells even better. All my veggies are tender and they taste so flavorful. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get ready to plate now and enjoy this juicy cabbage. Okay guys, there it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. I love getting you guys' feedback. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure you share my video with all your friends, any of your social medias. Make sure you hit the notification bell, because if you don't, you won't get the notification as soon as I upload my video. So if you want to see me as soon as I upload my video, then make sure you hit that bell. I am going to try to bring you guys more consistent videos, because I know I've been having so much going on, but I want to at least try to do videos weekly. So let me know what you feel about that. Also, let me know how you guys will feel about me doing some vlogs with myself and with my family, or even mukbangs. Let me know. Well, I will be back with you guys. Like I always say, I love you guys. Stay safe and stay blessed.